Baby O is described as baby care the way nature intended. What does that mean?
What all parents want for the baby, and especially if it's the first one, are products that are natural and safe, the most important criteria by far. So it was a very clear goal for us from the outset to create these products as gentle and natural as possible. Products which are in perfect harmony with baby skin from the day they are born. And all Baby O products contain at least 95% natural ingredients, are formulated with a less is more approach, which means just picking the right ingredient only, and pediatrician endorsed by Skin Health Alliance. So as a parent, you can feel really totally secure when you use this product on your baby.
What's so special about baby skin?
Well, when the baby are born, their skin is not fully developed. It's around 30% thinner than adult skin, and the skin barrier, the outermost layer of the skin, has less components, like lipid, the oils, the waxy component. These components help to lock the moisture into the skin and lock out aggressors. So this makes the baby skin lose moisture more easily, make them more sensitive to harsh ingredient, and also make them also more vulnerable to things like impurities of the skin. That's why it's so important to only use specially formulated baby products like Baby O.
I've seen oat ingredients in so many skincare products. What makes the oat oil in Baby O so special?
So as you know, oat is very well known for the caring property. That's why they have been used for centuries. But different oat ingredients offer completely different properties with different benefits to the skin. Oat oil, as well as being a very pure and gentle ingredient, has a very special composition of lipids, especially linoleic acid, which is a polyunsaturated fatty acid, which is critical for the maintenance of the skin barrier and are identical to those found in the skin. So you could say it's a perfect harmony with baby skin.
What's the difference between Baby O multi-purpose balm and Baby O body oil? Why does baby skin need both?
So compared to adults, as well as having less lipids, baby skin has much lower amount of natural moisturizing factors, the NMF, these water magnets. That's why we designed these two different products. The first one, Baby O multi-purpose balm, maximize the inclusion of the skin mimicking natural moisturizing factors technology that ensures precious water is retained in baby skin. Second, the Baby O body oils maximize the amount of lipid replenishment your baby's skin will receive.
What is Bum Bum cleansing milk?
That's a good question. Today, most people are very familiar with baby wipes for cleansing the diaper areas. It's convenient, of course, but here we wanted to create something very special, a product that goes beyond removing soiling. The skin in the diaper areas faces special challenges and needs special care, obviously. Here, our Bum Bum cleansing milk cleanses, but also is very caring. The non-rinse off oil-based formula forms a cocooning film on the surface of the skin. You may still need to add a barrier cream, like Baby O diaper cream, to soothe and recondition, but the Bum Bum cleansing milk is like a first layer of protection for the skin. It's a very special product.
Baby O multi-purpose balm, body oil and Bum Bum cleansing milk are described as self-preserving. What does that mean?
Preservatives play an important role in skincare products, as they do in many other products like food and drinks. Preservative products against the growth of different kinds of microbes, bacteria, which can spoil products or even spread infection. Here we have taken the approach of adding preservative only when they are needed by carefully blending different multifunctional ingredients with an intrinsic ability to oppose microbial growths. It was possible to create 3 products formulas which stay clean and fresh without preservatives. Where we have determined that preservatives are required, we have used natural identical preservatives used commonly in the food and drinks industry. These ingredients mimic the preservation and protection mechanism which occur naturally in plant fruits and vegetables.
What is the Skin Health Alliance?
The Skin Health Alliance is an international organization of dermatology professionals who we engage to provide an independent and completely objective review of our baby O. We knew our products were amazing, but again, so that parents could really feel secure, we felt this external second opinion was vital. The Skin Health Alliance checked absolutely everything about baby O, from the ingredients we use to our formulation philosophy to the testing of the final products themselves. Their pediatric dermatologists were completely satisfied that baby O was suitable for even newborn skin and gave us the endorsement, so we were very, very happy. And all moms and dads out there can be very happy too.